Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB video update for Sunday 26th of June. And damn, SHIB is doing too good, okay, too good, amazing, superb, lovely, wonderful, whatever you want to say. And we already are at the 1237. We're just inching closer and closer. It's at 1182 basically, and we're inching closer and closer to 1389, which is near the 1400. And we won this trade from the time I was giving the probably the call. It's already 15% up, and you're still looking for that whole 35% rise to the upside. Now this update is going to be bringing you a continuation pattern which is known as a three white soldier. Okay, so three green candles back to back, and that's known as three white soldiers. So let's go to Google and write in there three white soldiers in here. And SHIB does love to make this whenever it starts pumping to the upside. Okay, and this is a continuation pattern, which is a bullish continuation pattern, and that is going to be three white soldier, 1 2 3, and that's exactly what SHIB has printed out. So if you do look at it this way and you zoom in here, there's no signs of stopping SHIB. Now there is one thing that I'm going to say, and that is to put a stop loss at the 962. So if you ever see SHIB coming down, taking out the lowest part of the three white soldiers, then that's the end of the game. That you're invalidating all the pattern. Okay, so this is where the stop basically really is. And as per the ruling of an entry of a three white soldier, it's just somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, and the stop goes somewhere there. And if you want to learn all of this, I do have all the details on my trading course. The link is in the description, and I do have 4 more days to close the signals. Okay, if you want to join the signals, shoot me a message. 4 more days for July entry. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.